got to the Buffalo River, and got to pack up the canoe with about 5 nights of gear, food, drinks. Yep, this is John's setup here. It looks badass with the canoe on there. It always looks cool. Yeah. All right. Well, got to get busy loading up this canoe. This guy ain't helping him. Yeah. So this is my first trip ever to the Buffalo River. A 5-night canoe trip, and really excited. It's really pretty. The water's nice and clear. We're packing up the canoes here and just getting ready to launch. John's parking his truck up there. So we are at Rush. It's in Arkansas in the Buffalo River National Park. And it's a little bit overcast, so it's what is it, September 2020, and there's nobody out here. Getting excited.
We put in at Rush and took out shortly after reaching the White River. The trip ended up being 4 nights and about 24 miles.
A little bit of rapids. Let's see how we do. Well, all right, first cast, first fish. Just a small smallmouth bass. So just got on the river, what, 30 minutes ago? It's working out pretty good. Another small. Say hello.
Caught 3 wild pigs with my cell phone trying to get a drink from the river.
We're moving now. Well, we just pulled over to rest a little bit, so I thought I'd cast a couple times right here in this little spot. Got me a little smallmouth bass. Pretty happy about that. It's probably the same fish. Very good. This is a sight for sore eyes. I got my BioLite heating up my percolator so I can drink some coffee. It's starting to look good. We'll see. What you cooking, John?
Oh, we got some hash browns, sausage,
Take a look.
egg, cheese, and biscuits.
In a Dutch oven.
Dutch oven. Perfection on the river.
And at what, 20 pounds? you're hauling there.
It'll add 20 pounds to us.
Yeah. That looks
10
amazing.
apiece.
That looks amazing. Yeah. This is where we're living for 2 days.
This is the life.
This is the life. We're just waiting for the sun to come out.
Paradise found.
We got a little bit of sun. Oh yeah, I'll get it. We got a little bit of sun earlier, but we're still waiting. Even though it's not sunny, it's still amazing. What's that? Pleasant. Sites like this that make it wonderful to be out. This one's really pretty. I think this is the prettiest one we've come across so far. Yeah. Amazing campsite last night. We couldn't ask for a better spot. Well, I'm sure there's better spots out here, but this one is amazing. The tent was like right over there, 10 feet from the water. This kept me nice. It gave me a nice steady sleep all night just to hear that. Beautiful. All right. Finally made it to the White River from the Buffalo. 4 nights float. 5 days total. Yep. This is it. This is the last hurrah. 2 miles to our destination. All right. That's it for this trip.
Awesome trip.